Fun Kids. Independence Day in India is celebrated as national pride every year on 15th August. This day is celebrated as the national festival. On 15th August 1947, our great country India got independent from the British Empire. A day before this, the President of India addresses the country. On the Independence Day, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag Tiranga on the Red Fort, New Delhi. On this day, tribute is paid to all great leaders of India under whose leadership we got freedom from British rule. Many great people sacrificed their lives for our independence. On this day, we also remember the sacrifice of our great martyrs. Many honors are also distributed on this day. On this day, the Army, Air Force, and Navy comprise the parade. This day reminds us to stay united as it is the key to be independent. Happy Independence Day!